Look,
that?
there's a face in the sky, and this cloud is just lightning, and you don't hear anything.
The dog one. You see how bright that is?
Look, it's only from this one cloud.
Look, that
But there is a face in the sky.
and the face is looking at that cloud.
Look, there's a second face popping up.
I know. It looks alien, doesn't it? Look how big the top of the head is. That's an alien face. Baby.
Look,
That is alien face now.
no thunder.
It went from
It's only lightning.
what am I seeing? What am I
Look,
What are you watching?
the face is changing.
Yeah.
But that's just all lightning in the same spot.
Yeah. It's all within that cloud. I gotta get higher.
You know what? You gotta get on a roof, but you ain't gonna see much more. It's disappearing.
Now it looks like a
But
skull
look.
almost. There's no thunder. There's no thunder. That's a car going down the road.
Look
to the
how
right.
square that is. I bet you there's an alien there.
I know. Honey,
That is crazy. Look, it kind of looks like a woman's face right there. Baby, it's a woman's face on that one. Look. Big old eyes and nose, the mouth. You see it?
No.
She's looking that way.
Oh.
Look at my phone.
It actually kind of looks like Jesus. Seriously, it looks like Jesus and he's looking up at the sky.
What is happening?
I don't know.
This one turned into a face.
Yeah, this one's now a face. I mean, what are we seeing?
Look, it's just... We haven't heard one thunder.
No. I heard a plane and a car. No thunder. Face got shorter and is a goatee now. A predominantly. Lightning just started in that other old car. The old face car. And the lightning started in the center of it.
Look, there's no thunder anywhere else. There's something in there.
Yeah, there's something going on outside. It looks like a rabbit facing that way with his ears up. You see it? This one.
No,
Mommy, look, it's a bug.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's a popcorn beetle. We love all animals. Yeah, and ain't a regular old storm. I can tell you that. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Yeah, this is crazy.
I'm so glad that this happened to you. Happy early Father's Day. Welcome to the new world.
You and your conspiracies. This shit's real.
Oh, yeah.
There's something in there. It's traveling up.
Baby. Hop on these blocks. I'll get down.
It's, look, shit's about to go down
I've been telling you that.
in the next couple years.
No, I know. It's been going down for 70 years. They just kept it from us. If you can't see that, you're denying. How beautiful.
We still haven't heard a single
Crack of thunder.
crack.
It's beautiful. Whatever it is. And it's something gorgeous. But it's like just constantly, continuously.
I can't believe we need to Google Lens the face.
Yeah. It looks just like, look, I'm not even gonna show you.
Whoever it was wearing glasses, and it looked older.
There was 3 faces.
Well, then it's turned into like a demon.
Well, yeah, I saw that too, but then it went alien. I've seen a lot of stuff.
Yeah, look at this shit.
But you got all 3 of those faces.
Yes.
Yeah, you got all the things. I can't wait to show Tracy.
You need to show
Lord.
Bledsoe. This is nuts.
Listen to you.
Look at that.
I need to show Bliss.
Look at that dark figure in the middle. It's like a really dark cloud. It looks like a heart. Right in the dead center. Look at the lens on the phone.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. See, there's things that I can see that you can't, and vice versa, like with the camera. Because I saw the heart, I thought that's what you were talking about, but it wasn't. Oh. This is nice. Wow, that lit up a good one. I'm almost about to go grab the ladder.
I want to stop it and start another video.